Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of financial wisdom with a focus on the one and only Warren Buffett. As one of history's most successful investors, Buffett's principles offer invaluable lessons. We're uncovering 13 frugal habits inspired by Buffett that have guided not only him, but also countless others towards financial success. From living below means to mindful spending and strategic tax planning, each habit reflects Buffett's disciplined approach to wealth management. Join us as we unravel the secrets of financial abundance drawn from the life and principles of the Oracle of Omaha. 1. Living below means. Despite amassing immense wealth, Warren Buffett's lifestyle epitomizes the principle of living modestly and within one's means. This habit is exemplified by his continued residence in the same unassuming house he purchased in 1958 for a fraction of his net worth. Buffett's choice to eschew opulent living in favor of simplicity underscores the importance of prioritizing financial prudence over conspicuous consumption. By embracing a lifestyle that aligns with his values rather than succumbing to societal pressures of extravagance, Buffett demonstrates the enduring power of living below one's means as a cornerstone of long-term financial stability and success. 2. Mindful spending. Warren Buffett is really careful about how he spends his money. Instead of buying things on a whim or just because everyone else is, he thinks about whether he really needs something. Before he buys anything, he asks himself if it's going to help him reach his long-term financial goals. By focusing on what's essential and avoiding unnecessary purchases, Buffett shows us how to be smart with our money. This kind of careful spending isn't just about saving money. It's also about making sure we're moving closer to our financial goals. Following Buffett's lead reminds us that being mindful with our spending can lead to a more secure financial future. 3. Value investing. Warren Buffett's way of investing is all about finding good deals that might not be obvious to everyone else. He looks for companies that are undervalued, basically, ones that are worth more than their current price suggests. To do this, he does a lot of research to understand the companies he's investing in. Buffett's goal is to make steady profits over time, rather than trying to get rich quick by following fads or trends. His approach is all about being patient and thinking long-term. By sticking to this disciplined strategy, Buffett has not only made a ton of money, but has also shown how important it is to make smart, careful decisions when it comes to investing. 4. Patience and discipline. Warren Buffett's success in investing boils down to his ability to stay patient and disciplined. Instead of chasing quick profits or reacting hastily to market ups and downs, Buffett takes a long-term view. He understands that building wealth takes time, so he sticks to his strategy even when things get rocky. This patient and disciplined approach helps Buffett avoid rash decisions and seize opportunities that arise over time. By keeping it simple and staying the course, Buffett demonstrates how patience and discipline are essential ingredients for long-term financial success. 5. Minimalism. Warren Buffett keeps things simple. He doesn't go for flashy stuff or unnecessary extras. Whether it's in his lifestyle or his investments, Buffett focuses on what's really important. By keeping things minimal, he avoids distractions and stays focused on what truly matters. This simple approach shows us that we don't need a lot of stuff to be happy or successful. Instead, it's about finding value in the things that truly add meaning to our lives. Following Buffett's lead reminds us to keep it simple and focus on what really matters most. 6. Secondhand shopping. Warren Buffett doesn't mind shopping at thrift stores or secondhand shops. Even though he's really rich, he knows you can find good stuff there for a lot less money, whether it's clothes or furniture. Buffett understands that used items can still be great quality. By buying secondhand, he saves money and also helps the environment by reducing waste. Buffett's choice to shop this way teaches us to be smart with our money and find value in things that others might overlook. It's a reminder that you don't have to spend a lot to get good stuff if you're willing to look around. 7. Avoiding debt. Warren Buffett doesn't like borrowing money. He believes in living within his means and avoiding loans or credit cards whenever possible. By staying debt-free, Buffett reduces financial risk and stays in control of his finances. His approach emphasizes the importance of living within one's means and managing money responsibly. Following Buffett's example teaches us the value of financial independence and avoiding unnecessary debt. 8. Continuous learning. Warren Buffett emphasizes the importance of lifelong learning, recognizing that knowledge is key to success. Despite his accomplishments, he remains dedicated to reading and staying informed about financial markets and business trends. By continuously seeking new information, Buffett stays adaptable and well-prepared for the evolving world of finance and investing. His commitment to learning serves as a reminder of the significance of intellectual curiosity and personal development in achieving lasting success. 9. Generosity. Warren Buffett is known for being really generous. Even though he's super rich, he lives a simple life and plans to give most of his money to help others. He encourages other rich people to do the same through initiatives like the Giving Pledge. But it's not just about money for Buffett. He also shares his knowledge and advice with people who want to learn from him. By being so generous, Buffett shows us how wealth can be used to make the world a better place and help those in need. His example reminds us of the importance of giving back and being kind to others. 10. Focus on quality. Warren Buffett believes in choosing quality over quantity, whether it's in investments or everyday purchases. He looks for companies with strong fundamentals and sustainable advantages rather than following trends. Buffett's focus on quality extends to all aspects of life, emphasizing the importance of making informed decisions that lead to long-term success. His approach reminds us to prioritize substance over superficiality, both in finances and in life. 11. Smart tax planning. Warren Buffett is adept at smart tax planning, using legal strategies to minimize taxes while maximizing returns. He carefully structures his investments and financial transactions to reduce tax burdens and takes advantage of available deductions and credits. By staying informed about tax laws and regulations, Buffett ensures he optimizes tax efficiency while complying with legal obligations. His proactive approach underscores the importance of understanding tax implications and implementing strategies to preserve wealth and support future growth and philanthropy. 12. DIY attitude. Warren Buffett embodies a hands-on approach to managing his finances, favoring personal involvement over reliance on advisors. He conducts thorough research and analysis, emphasizing self-reliance and empowerment in decision-making. Buffett's DIY mindset extends beyond finances to various aspects of life, highlighting the importance of taking ownership and actively engaging in tasks. His example underscores the significance of personal responsibility in wealth management and decision-making processes. 13. Long-term perspective. Warren Buffett's approach to investing and decision-making is characterized by a steadfast commitment to long-term goals. Instead of chasing short-term gains, he prioritizes enduring value and sustainability in his investments. Buffett's patience and discipline in staying the course amidst market fluctuations underscore the importance of strategic planning and persistence in achieving financial success. His example inspires others to adopt a similar mindset, emphasizing the value of patience and commitment in pursuit of long-term financial goals. And there you have it, 13 frugal habits of the rich and famous inspired by the legendary Warren Buffett. Incorporating these habits into our own lives can pave the way for financial security and success. Which of these habits resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay frugal and stay prosperous.